E tikana haere mai rātou I konei. Nā te mea ko tēnei te waharo me ki o te whenua nei. Tēnei te waharo te kingitanga I tikana to tātou kingi tuahitia e pōwhiri ia rātou. Ngā manuwhiri haere mai mātou te rātaha Africa. Hi.
We approached the marae and they jumped at the opportunity to welcome Zambia, who are our team, who will be based in Hamilton for the tournament. So yeah, it's really exciting that we could bring them here and welcome them in to the Waikato.
Having lived in New Zealand for a number of years, and a lot of the Zambians who are here today supporting the team have lived in New Zealand for a while, we appreciate amongst other things, Maori culture and the importance of being welcomed onto the land and welcomed by the people of the land, and to respect that culture in the same way we have people respecting our culture and so on. It was just absolutely important that we came here with the team.
As our team, we love singing, so it's just a song talking about when we look on how God has blessed us and everything. So it is amazing for us and we really enjoy singing.
Zambia is, interestingly, about the same size as Zimbabwe. A lot of people know Zimbabwe a whole lot better. We are neighbours, we share the Victoria Falls. But as a community here in New Zealand, we are much a smaller group in the hundreds as compared to our friends who are in the thousands. We're spread across New Zealand, most in Auckland and here in the Waikato. When we knew that the team was coming here, we just got together. We've been working as a community to try and see that we can provide the best support that we can.
Yeah, so we've been working on this for close to 3 years now, from the bidding phase through to now the delivery. So it's been a long time in the making, and we're really excited for the 5 games we've got here in Hamilton, 2 of them featuring Zambia as well as a number of other countries.
Wow, it is amazing for our first time, and I think we'll have good experience and exposure, because looking at the World Cup is a very huge tournament.
So the fact that we have a team, a Zambian team, that not only has qualified for the World Cup for the first time, making it the first senior team, men or women, to qualify for a FIFA World Cup, that in its own is quite unique. Add to that the fact that we are celebrating, the women themselves, the culture and diversity that they bring to a country that is very open to culture and diversity.
Wow, they are proud, and we are always receiving cheering messages, and we are glad and happy that our mother Zambians are happy back home.
The FIFA World Cup me ki taku moyo a kwa ichi tarato ingo ropu o Zambia Golden Queens. E tikana haere mai rātou I konei roto te mau maharatanga tarato taha tūpana. Mai rāno, I ngā hono sa tanga kia mātou ki te tonga Africa, koe rā hoki ngā noho tahi a tātou ngā maunga ki ngā maunga.
Just come and join us. There's an expression that we use in our country nowadays. We call it, say, Zambia Kuchalo, which means Zambia to the world. So come and see what we're all about.